You've probably heard the stories. Young entrepreneurs striking it rich overnight, building businesses from nothing, living the dream. But here's the truth. Most people don't tell you without smart money moves, that dream can collapse faster than you think. Today, we're diving into the financial moves that separate those who thrive from those who barely survive, and how you can start mastering them today. 1. The money mindset every young founder must adopt. Most young entrepreneurs jump into business thinking hustle alone is enough. Work 24/7, fake it till you make it, they say. But that approach can quietly drain your finances before you even see a profit. Real financial confidence isn't about looking successful. It's about knowing your numbers, planning your moves, and making choices that sustain growth. Adopt a mindset that treats money as a tool, not a badge, and suddenly your decisions start to make sense. But mindset is just the first step. 2. Separate your personal and business finances right away. It sounds simple, but the number of entrepreneurs who mix personal and business accounts is staggering. The result: confusion, tax headaches, and cash flow disasters. Open dedicated accounts, track every transaction, and treat your business like a real entity from day one. This one move alone can save you months of stress and keep your finances crystal clear. And once you're organized, the next step is understanding your money flow. 3. Budgeting is the backbone of smart money decisions. A budget isn't boring. It's your roadmap. Build both personal and business budgets with clear spending targets. Know exactly where your money is going, which costs are essential, and which ones are draining your growth. With a solid budget, you stop guessing and start making intentional choices. Overspending becomes visible, and saving for the future becomes automatic. With budgets under control, it's time to protect yourself from the unexpected. 4. Emergency funds, your invisible safety net. Every entrepreneur faces surprises, slow seasons, client delays, unexpected expenses. That's why an emergency fund is essential. Experts recommend setting aside 3 to 6 months of expenses. Imagine hitting a dry spell and knowing your business can survive. That peace of mind is priceless. Businesses that survive tough times almost always have this invisible cushion in place. But money shouldn't just sit idle. To grow, it has to move. 5. Cash flow management, where dreams meet reality. Cash flow is the lifeblood of your venture. You can be profitable on paper, but bankrupt in reality if your inflows and outflows aren't monitored. Track everything, plan for slow months, and secure recurring revenue sources whenever possible. Tools and strategies exist to forecast cash flow, avoid shortages, and ensure your business stays alive when the unexpected hits. Once you master cash flow, the next step is simple but often ignored. 6. Pay yourself a salary, seriously. Many young founders reinvest every dollar back into the business and forget about themselves. But neglecting your personal income can lead to burnout, stress, and poor decision-making. Decide on a reasonable salary, pay yourself consistently, and separate your personal needs from business spending. This simple move brings clarity, stability, and focus to your work. With stability in place, it's time to make your money grow. 7. Invest in your future, even while young. Saving is important, but investing is what turns small wins into lasting wealth. Start early. Compound growth is the ultimate advantage of youth. High-yield accounts, diversified investments, and business reinvestments are key. Even small amounts today can become significant tomorrow. Remember, you're not just building a business, you're building financial freedom. And as you grow, it's critical to keep learning and adapting. 8. Keep learning, leveraging tech, and growing financial IQ. Tech tools can simplify budgeting, accounting, and financial tracking. Apps, automation, and software free you to focus on growth rather than spreadsheets. Beyond tools, learning is your superpower. The more financially literate you become, the better your decisions, the higher your returns, and the lower your risk. Continuous learning separates the founders who survive from those who struggle. The path of a young entrepreneur is thrilling, but without smart money moves, it's also risky. Mindset, budgeting, emergency funds, cash flow, paying yourself, investing, and continual learning. These are the pillars of financial success. Master them, and you don't just survive the startup grind, you thrive. Here's my challenge to you. Pick one smart money move from this guide and implement it within the next 24 hours. Whether it's opening a separate business account, setting up an emergency fund, or defining your personal salary, take action now. Then, if you want the complete breakdown of all the moves top young entrepreneurs swear by, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, because your financial journey is just getting started. And we're here to guide you every step of the way.